Now let us check what are the best practices for drawing precise diagram for your board exam. You know, your board exam answer sheet is ruled paper and you will see such lines, and these lines are really a help for drawing such diagrams. You know, the best way to draw a diagram is a graph paper, but unfortunately for physics paper they don't give a graph along with it. But these lines you can use as very good reference point so that your diagram goes perfectly okay. So how do we do that? Let me show you the best example. So let me select a line, okay, some line in between, just gap, leave some lines here, some lines there. Okay, now after selecting the line, over this line itself I just draw a straight line like this, okay, without removing your ruler. Okay, here at 7 I marked a point, 5 another, and at 3 another. Try to look from straight so that you avoid parallax error. And now finished. So this is 2 centimeter difference from here to here, 4 centimeters. So let us take this as pole, this as focus, and this point as center of curvature. Next, you know, you have to set your compass exactly at 4 centimeter position so that you will be finding it easy to do everything. So here we go. Set your compass at 4 centimeter position and lock it. Okay, so just make sure you have locked it in 4 centimeter position. Once you have done that, here putting it at the center of curvature over here now, okay, so this is our pole. So now you can draw, so let's go ahead, you can draw your, okay, so this is our mirror, concave mirror. The moment you finished it, don't forget to shade at the back side. Then guys, what is next? Okay, so your picture is perfect. This is the real center of curvature and focus. As you know, the distance I took is 2 + 2 4 centimeter, and on the compass also I have locked 4 centimeter. This is called, you know, the divider. This is always good while you draw the diagrams for lenses for this one. And for that again I would like to set it at 2 centimeter and keep ready. Okay, let's go. Once you have done this, how to use the reference point, that's what right now I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, so here in this case we are drawing object. Okay, here we have 1 2 3 4 lines apart, 1 2 3 4 lines apart. Always above and below we have 4 lines. Okay, always try to make equal number of lines above and below. Now let me draw object around, you know, suppose it's beyond C. Suppose the object is beyond C. I just keep the scale, look this side of the scale and the margin of your paper, are they parallel? No, that means your object is going to be, okay, now make sure they are parallel. So this is a straight line first. Okay, look, I have selected 2 lines reference here, 1 2, and at this tip, carefully listen, this tip should be clearly sharply marked, and this tip should not go up or down. Some people carelessly draw like this, they don't know where is the tip and they draw the ray of light coming from here. They don't give a damn for all these things, and I'm sure that is going to give 0 mark for the exam. Then next is, let us draw the lines, all reference lines based on the lines on the paper. Okay, so this is the rule 1, parallel line, isn't it? So we can draw parallel lines like this. So this is the best practice as far as diagrams drawings are concerned. Now let us start drawing one by one diagrams, and do not miss, keep watching the series of videos. Okay.